Today I'm going to show you how to do a classic Hollywood glam hairdo. I will start off by using the heat styling protection that protects up to 220 degrees before I use the hot iron. Starting to make a side parting, now I will use the hot iron and I will place the hot iron like this in sections in the whole front, almost like I put it on rollers. Over direct them to the other side, pushing them to this side, slowly but surely getting all the hair in. Make sure that the heat goes through. Then gently and carefully letting the curl out so it gets cold in the same shape. Then you get a longer lasting curl. So that is the first section, and now I continue all the way down to the ear. If it's hard for you to get the curls to really last, I use a little bit of fixing hairspray. The fixing hairspray works really well with hot irons. So here, where I want to have the classical wave, I made this direction. This is going to fall down on this side. For the rest of the hair, I'm going to take quite a large section and only use the curling iron at the ends. I'm very cautious when I do this because it really needs to be perfect. It's like we put on rollers, over directed to the opposite side. The rest of the hair I've done just with the curling iron very low, very easy and very large sections. Now I'm going to take away the clips, I'm going to brush it out, and I'm going to use the fixing hairspray and put the hairdo in place. So now I'm going to brush everything out. I'm using our volume brush, the 3-row brush. This is the brush that I cannot live without. I'm going to brush everything out carefully using some hairspray. Making sure to get the small hairs with me here, so nothing sticks out. So I'm finishing off now using the Mega Fix hairspray to do detail work. So now I have the wave that I want. I want this side to be quite flat. So now I can go in and sculpture and take away all the small hairs. So this is how easy it is to make the classic Hollywood glam hairdo.